Tired of manually copying Facebook leads and losing precious time? In this video, I'll show you how to automatically add Facebook leads into your favorite apps using Zapier, so you can focus on converting them into customers. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create App button. This will start a new automation workflow. Next, search for Facebook lead ads and select it as your trigger app. This will be the app that starts our automation. Choose New Lead as the trigger event. This tells Zapier to start the automation every time someone submits a form on your Facebook lead ad. Now, connect your Facebook account. Zapier will ask for permission to access your Facebook pages and lead ads. Follow the prompts to grant access. Choose the Facebook page and the specific lead form you want to connect to this automation. This tells Zapier which lead ad to monitor for new submissions. Click Test Trigger to pull in a recent sample lead. This is important to ensure Zapier can access the lead data correctly. Now it's time to choose your action app. This is where you want your Facebook leads to go. Let's select Google Sheets. Choose Create Spreadsheet Row as the action event. This will automatically add each new lead as a row in your Google Sheet. Connect your Google Sheets account and select the spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the leads to be added. Map the fields from your Facebook lead ad to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. For example, map the full name field from Facebook to the name column in Google Sheets. Once you've mapped all the fields, click Test Action to send a test lead to your Google Sheet. If everything looks good, name your Zap and turn it on. Now, new Facebook leads will automatically be added to your chosen app, freeing you up to focus on what matters most.